Today we're diving into a quick but super valuable technique, how to delete a split in CapCut. Whether you split a clip by accident or just want to refine your timeline for a smoother edit, this step-by-step process will help you clean up your video and keep things looking polished. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get rid of any unwanted splits, making your edits seamless and professional. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is position your playhead. That's the vertical line that shows where you are on the timeline. Take a moment to drag the playhead to the very beginning of the segment you want to remove. It might help to zoom in on your timeline a little so you can see the frames clearly. Dragging the playhead accurately is important because it ensures you're splitting at the exact spot you intend. Think of the playhead like a bookmark in a novel. You want to be on the right page before you start making changes. Once you've got your playhead in position, it's time to split the clip. You can use the split button that sits in the toolbar on your timeline. You'll see it as a little scissors icon, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, just press Ctrl+B. Splitting is kind of like using a knife to slice bread. You're creating two distinct pieces, making it easy to remove just the part you don't want. Don't worry if you're not sure you did it right. CapCut will create a slight gap between the two segments, so it's easy to spot where you made your split. Ready to clean things up? Now click on the segment you want to remove. It'll highlight so you know you've got the right piece selected. From here, just hit the delete key on your keyboard or use the little trash icon in the toolbar. The segment will instantly disappear from your timeline. If you ever deleted the wrong part, you can always hit undo, so there's no risk of losing something important. This step is all about zeroing in on excess footage. Imagine you're pruning a plant, you're snipping off the bits that don't belong so what's left behind looks tidy. But we're not finished yet. You might notice that now there's a gap in your video, or maybe your final clip is shorter than you wanted. To get things back to normal, just click on the right edge of the remaining clip. You'll see your cursor change to a double arrow, indicating you can stretch it. Go ahead and drag that edge to the right, extending the clip until it reaches the original endpoint or fills the timeline where the deleted segment was. This merges the content back together smoothly. Think of it like closing a zipper. You're bringing both sides back into one cohesive piece. Take your time with this step, especially if you want your video's pacing to feel natural. And that's it. You've just learned how to delete a split from any clip in CapCut and how to seamlessly extend the remaining content to keep your video looking sharp. If you ever make a split and realize you don't need it, or you simply want to correct a mistake, you've now got the tools to do it without stress. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video. It lets me know you want more CapCut tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a specific editing challenge you'd like me to cover next. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy editing.